A lot of people have asked us what goes into an American Artisan Series watch, so we wanted to lay it out for you guys to take a look at. This over here is the movement itself broken into pieces. So this is what we actually do to every single watch that we get in, every single movement. It gets disassembled all the way down to these tiny screws, the jewels, all the springs and everything that's inside the watch. Every part gets cleaned, re-lubricated, reassembled, and everything is timed and regulated to keep perfect time before we put it into our cases. And then these pieces over here are what we actually manufacture to be able to turn this pocket watch movement into a wristwatch. So we have the crystal, the Corning Gorilla Glass crystal, the Caseback that holds the movement inside. This is our 3D printed titanium case. And there it is without the movement inside. So that's all machined on the CNC mill to be able to fit all of our inserts and everything in there to hold the movement in place. We have the strap, and then these little pieces in here, I don't know if you can see those or you can zoom in, but these are the stem and the sleeve and everything that lets you go from wind to set. So you're able to wind it and you're able to pull it out, click it to set the time. And then of course the buckle and the bars that hold on the strap.
And that's the American Artisan Series.